All right, YouTube subscribers, my name is Rayshawn, known as Ray Niz on Facebook, also known as Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 on YouTube. Now, what's going on is that I'm doing a reaction video to this video that was uploaded by this gentleman by the YouTube username of the Russian Fast Bear. So he decided to do a parody called Angry Dad Learns of a Broken Ceiling Fan. Now, when I watched this video, that video had me laughing because it reminded me of the original video that went viral back in 2012 when I saw this video. When I saw that video, when some man tried to do the tomato challenge and stuff, and he jumped into some type of G event ceiling fan and bent one of the blade brackets and stuff and damaged the ceiling fan. So, other than that, I'm about to go on and put this video on full screen. And I'm about to go on and play this thing. Make sure my volume's all the way up. So here it is.
Attention. This video contains extreme language and inappropriate behavior. Hey, what'd you do to that fan in there in the bedroom?
What fan?
The ceiling fan in the bedroom. It just ain't running right.
I ain't done nothing to it. What the hell do you mean? What, did you do something to it? Oh, you dumbass bastard. Here?
Yeah.
Hell ain't working at all.
You didn't get it turned too good.
It's supposed to come on.
It's a San Marino fan from Hampton Bay.
You may have to manually spin it.
Why the hell should I have to manually spin something? It comes out that wrong, let me do what the hell did you do to it, Dad? I spun it. It's not spinning.
I was sweeping the floor and a broomstick got...
Oh, bullcrap. There ain't no damn broomsticks long enough.
Oh,
That's
damn, bro.
real nice. That's a real efficient damn fan there. What the hell did you do, dude?
I was gonna make a video of it, trying to put a tomato above the ceiling.
Oh, you dumb as shit, bastard. This ceiling fan's been up there for 24 years, and it ain't never quit running yet. Now you stuck your dumb ass up there and did some damn... I'm gonna whoop the hell out of you.
Uh-oh. Bro, what the world? Hold on. This thing. Oh, here it go. Here it go.
Oh shit, that's gonna be mighty dangerous. I didn't know what to tell him. Oh shit. Ow.
Oh, he getting his butt whooped. Bro, what the world? This thing keep buffering. Hold on, I'm having some technical difficulties because my internet connection isn't all that great. So that's why this video's buffering. So no matter how much I rewind it and stuff, still acting up anyway. But if you want to see the full video of it, I'll just have to put it down in the link. So other than that, so this is Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 signing out this video, and I'm out.